Oh, what a fish. Dang, man, this dude is whipping me. Where the hell am I going? Come on, man, get in here. Heck no, he's not. This dude's putting me through the ringer. You think he gotta be getting tired here pretty quick. Every time he comes up and sees me, he's gone. And it keeps going right underneath the damn kayak. Come here, homie. Nope. There we go. All right. Whew. That is what I am talking about. Oh, now I got a tangled up freaking mess over here. Man, I feel like such a freaking goober right now. There we go. All right. Let's get this girl up and show you right away. Here you go. Look at that fish right there. We'll see if she's in slot. I don't know. I think she is. What is it, 18 to 27, right? Let's see what we're sitting at. 26 3/4. Yeah. Holy crap. All right, I want to make sure I'm not losing this dude since I can actually take him home. Nope, you're mine now, buddy. You are mine now. Man, this thing, if this was a freaking tournament, this would be the perfect tournament fish. 26 3/4. 27 is legal limit. All right, that's out. Here we go. Let's show you off one more time, dude. Look at that big girl right there. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. This thing is a tank. Heck yeah. We're going to get him bled out. We're going to throw him in the cooler. Let's see if we can't find a few more of these boys in here. So, can't keep any more, but I can catch them all day long.